everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm UD.
And I'm Cherry.
We're together, we're 2 equals 1. And today we're going to be talking about survival. It's all about survival and the things that we feel you might want to have in your survival kit to get the fuck up out of here in case you got to move fast. A lot of people aren't thinking about that, but does it not make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
I'm just saying, I'm not wishing nothing bad to happen, but the way things are happening, you might want to have something ready in case you got to go real quick. So, having said that, we're going to start from left to right. Over here we have a stove, portable stove, with the propane and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? This is just in case you need to make something on the go. You know what I mean? You got to get up out of here. You on the road. You need that with your propane. Of course, you're gonna need something to cover up with. You're gonna need you a tarp. Something, relatively big. I mean, something that can cover something up if you need to put sleeping bags down or whatever. You may not have a dry ground to be under. You don't know. Prepare for the worst. A towel. You know what I'm saying? You always need a towel. Deodorant. You're going to be bathing. You don't need to wash up. You know what I'm saying? Soap. These are common things. This is common sense things that you're going to need to take with you. Stuff that you're going to know you're going to need. Food. Comes to this one right here. You ain't necessarily got to buy Thai ramen, but something that you can get busy with the stove. You know what I'm saying? Having a little pot available with you. Something you can have some water with and whip up something real fast. Stuff like this. You know what I mean?
Sauce.
Got to have, the GIs don't eat this stuff for nothing.
And oatmeal.
Go ahead, babe.
Oh, and then we also have these ponchos in case if it's raining out. So we have 2 ponchos.
You need that.
And these are life straws
Those are huge.
that you can use in case if there's any contaminated water.
If you're unsure about a life straw, check them out because you want one of those. For real, for real. Of course, your sanitary stuff, your toothpaste, and all that type of stuff, your wipes, to be able to wipe up, any type of injuries. You want to have a first aid kit. First aid kit, that's, once again, common sense, but a lot of people don't think about that. They're worried about pajamas and silly shit and toys. You need to be prepared. Have your medicine. Have a little bit of medicine prepared and put away, just in case. Not all your medicine.
For like maybe a week's worth.
You know what I'm saying? Just for a little bit, just in case. I'm just saying, the way that things are moving right now, I don't trust shit. Damn sure don't trust our government. So if you trust in that, good luck. You got to have flashlights. You know what I'm saying? Lighters. And this is just some of the little stuff. Bungee cords. There's so many things you can have. A map. When the satellites and everything go down, you're not going to be able to look at your phone and know where you're going.
Yeah.
Terrain, you're going to have to know the terrain. And if you don't know where you're going, you're going to be lost. It's funny, a lot of kids don't even know how to tell time.
Right.
I seen a lot of things on TikTok and some things on YouTube, and they don't even know how to use a rotary phone.
Right. No.
You couldn't even call me. That's amazing, but that's another whole story. You need a compass, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. You need a whistle, something that you can get in contact with. Radio, a radio to listen to any type of broadcast that's going on. You know what I'm saying, to guide you somewhere or whatever the case may be. It's huge. Some type of communication.
I was going to say, we got this from Walmart, and it does work. It's an AM/FM portable radio.
That's all you need. That's all you're going to need. And if you have walkie-talkies, even better.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Walkie-talkies. We have walkie-talkies as well. We should have had that in the video, but we have walkie-talkies as well. Batteries. You know what I'm saying? Of course, a lot of things to keep your hands clean. You need the batteries, C's, D's, everything. You're going to need all this stuff. A shovel, a portable shovel. Everything you're going to need. You're going to need all this type of stuff.
Just in case if you need to dig a fire.
Everything. The portable fire starter right here. You need all that. Everything. I mean, we don't even have enough stuff. We're going to continue to add to this bag as it goes on. Because there's
matches.
Everything. You need everything. A tent. I mean, it's endless to the things you're going to need if you got to get up out of here quick and you need a go back for you and your family. I know it sounds insane. You're like, oh, I'm just worried about shit that's not gonna never happen. Okay, but a lot of shit didn't happen that we thought that wouldn't happen.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And then
And of course, one of the major ones, gotta have some cash. Gotta have some cash, because once they shut the whole system down, and they're going to do that, they've threatened it too many times. If you don't have some cash on hand, you kind of fucked up. That's just what it is. You're gonna be kind of fucked up. You're gonna be kind of behind the eight ball, because the barter system is gonna come into play. You're gonna start selling shit out your house. You're gonna be surprised what you would do to feed your family. People ain't thinking about this right now. You're not thinking about this right now. But when it comes down to it, we're gonna find out where the real men are, where the real hunters are, because you gonna show up or you gonna get down or lay down. For real, for real. But having said that,
well, did you tell them about the candles?
yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you about the candles. You do need candles because you're gonna need some light. I told them about the flashlights. I did mention about the flashlight, but candles are better than flashlights. They'll burn a lot longer. Give you life. But there's so many things. And
Bottled water.
And another thing, most importantly, to have a weapon.
Yeah.
Because you have to protect yourself, your family, your belongings. Because if it comes down to that, if you're running, that means that everybody else is running too. And we've seen enough movies and seen how this shit goes to know that the purge is just around the corner. The forever purge is just around the corner, and they waiting on it. It's just a matter of time. I mean, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. I'm ready. I don't know about you, but if you don't want to prepare yourself, that's all I can say, man. I'm sorry for you. Be prepared though. For those that are listening, get your shit together. If you got any means to put some extra shit away, do it. Don't fuck around. It's real deal. I mean, I'm saying just look around and see what's happening. I don't know about your town, but my town's getting kind of fucked up. It's a slow process, but I'm watching with my own eyes, and I don't like what I'm seeing. So, get your shit together.
I just wanted to add, make sure that you recycle like your water and your food. Check the expiration date. So you want to.
That's a good one, babe.
Repeat.
Very, very good.
And
I'm gonna piggyback that. Yeah, make sure you recycle. I'm gonna say 3 months. Every 3 months, you might want to recycle your stuff out, because you can't trust the date. Canned goods are good for so long, like anything else. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? Everything. You know what I'm saying? Recycle, especially the food. The food. That's got to be recycled ever so often, because if it's not, then you're gonna come in, be like, oh shit, it's been 5 years. Well, that expired 3 years ago.
right. Right.
That's the problem. So having said that, it is what it is, but y'all stay blessed, stay out the way, you know what I'm saying? And baby, anything left you want to say besides like, subscribe, comment.
Yes, please comment.
Anything else?
I like to talk back.
Anything else? Did I forget?
No, hit the bell so
yeah,
you know.
hit that bell.
So you know when we're.
Keep the jab in his face. Keep the jab.
So you know when we upload a video or go live.
Word. So until the next time, you guys, everybody, stay up, stay blessed, and stay out the way. Peace.
Peace.